Hey everybody, this is Scott Patton, wavesofprofit.com. Thank you very much for joining us. January 28th, that's today. We're going to take a look at some trades that might have made you 10% in 10 minutes. Joining us as usual is Alan Maxwell. Hey Alan, what have you got to show us now?
Well, almost every day there's a few trades, and we follow the same rules, which is something we like to do. So I'm going to show you the first one, and that's Baidu at 9:35. And like I say, almost every time, if you know what our rules are, you'd go, "Hey, yeah, I see why you would have got that," and let's see what happens with it. So anyway, I went too fast here. 16% in the first minute, and if you want to hang in for a little bit more, you be my guest. But you can see that this thing would have made as much as 27 or 30%. So that was going down because the market was heading down.
Okay, so you want to get out of that trade?
Sure. So in 4 minutes, you made 27%.
Beautiful.
So yeah, and there's reasons why I would have said looking at other charts, but we won't get into that. So this one here, GoPro, you can see that it was breaking out and doing all that kind of stuff, but you'll notice the color settings is very similar. So let's move forward a little bit and see what happens. And you can see it's challenging a zone here, and then it breaks out of that zone, and so you make your 11%. And could you have made more? Probably. And 24%. Blue star exit. Yep. Thanks so much. So, and let's go look at Celgene. I like this one a lot. And if Murray was here, he'd say, clear to the left. That's exactly why I like it. And also the market is tending red at this time. So let's just go forward a little bit. And we're at 6%, 9, 16, and of course I'm moving faster than the actual market does. This is the simulator, which is exactly like the real market, but lets you play around and learn things without costing a dime. So you can see that we've already made our percentages, but it was very similar to the first one, Baidu. It's like, there's more room in this thing because it already broke a previous low. It's clear to the left for quite a ways. So can it? Maybe. Should I? Well, let's just hang on for a bit. And
oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, this is the point where I would get out no matter what, because you've got a big volume spike, and that's what our coach in Hawaii talks about. Is he says, hey, when you get that volume spike, that's usually the end, and that's of course what we teach.
47%.
47. So. Anyways, did it go much further? Well, you got a Y point happening down there, and then it just started coming back. So, anyways, that was today's trades. There were some other ones too, but that's the whole point. Is like we're following the same basic rules all the time. So today the average return would have been about 30% per trade. So 100% overall, which is pretty good.
Great day today. Lots of opportunity, and all of it done in mere minutes.
Yes. Yeah, I think 18 minutes if you hang on for the juicy one, but the other ones were like 4 minutes and 7 minutes. So it's like, yeah, I can handle that.
Well, and the nice thing too is we only recommend that you do one trade at a time. It's hard enough to follow the one, let alone to follow 3, but this particular day, somewhat unusual. You had one trade and then it ended, and then the next trade started, and then the next trade started. So they were all kind of sequential, which means you could have doubled the amount of money you put into your trade in about an hour.
Yes. Yeah.
Not really normal. Cool. It's not like we don't say that happens every day, but today was a good day for that.
Yes, it was.
Great. Thank you, Alan. So this is it. 10% in 10 minutes is our goal. Alan, you hit 3 home runs. Thank you very much for sharing that with everybody. www.wavesofprofit if you want to know more about how you can do the same sort of thing. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Bye-bye.